It's time for another adventure. Hello from Hanoi, the heart of northern Vietnam. We've left Laos behind after an amazing time. Just a quick, over an hour flight straight north from Vientiane, but a big change in the weather. Hanoi hits you fast. Chaos, color, and noise. But underneath it all, there's charm, culture, and a constant buzz of energy and surprises waiting around every corner. The real shock is when you're walking in the street, dodging scooters and cars. The sidewalks are completely useless. They're blocked by parked motorcycles, there's junk, or they're taken over by businesses. It's so dangerous, there's no rules, no enforcement, and no one seems to care. There's so much going on everywhere. Cooking on the streets and washing dishes on the streets. Look at those, the faces on them. This is something you can't explain. Our local guide is leading our small group to his favorite food spots in Hanoi. It's about discovering what real locals eat, something we'd struggle to experience alone without the insider knowledge and his connections. We're on a foodie tour, and our first stop is this restaurant, and we're starting out with the appetizer. He said this is an appetizer, obviously, and that's the main. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so this is the one that we're having, and even Zarko likes it. So there's meat, there's looks like
vegetable and pork.
Oh, pork, okay. Looks really good. Well, we're gonna go on 6 more stops, is that what you said?
5 more.
5 more. Okay, I guess we better pace ourselves. Everywhere you look in Hanoi, something grabs you. The sights, the sounds, and moments you don't expect. It's overwhelming in the best way. I absolutely love it. Wow. It's like omelets or something, I'm not sure.
Vietnamese rice pancakes with beef and shrimp.
So we're gonna try this crispy Vietnamese rice pancake with beef and shrimp.
Maybe I will appear on the channel.
Yeah, is that okay?
It's perfect. Try to use the new oil.
That's good. Yeah. Wow.
A little bit cilantro too. Okay, and then it's one piece of the rice pancake on the top.
Oh. How did they figure that out? He said they stole it from the southern Vietnam, the recipe. Look at that.
You can roll it by your hand or the chopstick.
Oh, a spring roll.
Okay.
Zarko's giving it a try.
Good.
He likes it. Awesome.
Right.
I thought you always had to soak these. I didn't know you could eat them like that.
I think you can you should flip it.
I know this is the taste. What do you think?
Really different. I've never had anything like that. Did you like it?
Yeah.
This place has a long line. Must be for a reason. Let's find out what the hype's all about. Bambi bread. Oh, they're weighing it. Make sure you get the right amount of meat on it. So we're gonna have a sandwich. It looks like there's tomatoes and they're cooking it too. Oh, it looks very good. They have the bread down here. So this is a Vietnamese sandwich that we've had this before, and it's really good. Let's give it a shot. Oh. So, what do you think? You like the sandwich? Your favorite so far, right? Probably? Yeah, Zarko's a sandwich guy. So like there's a line outside. It's very popular. We're sitting down like on the floor in these little tiny seats, a circle. Can you show us the way we're sitting? Yeah. I'm sure hoping we don't get run over. One wrong step and we're roadkill. Okay, our next stop is dessert shop. Okay, so we're trying sticky rice with ice cream. We're here now at this Hanoi coffee culture, and we're gonna try the egg coffee. It's a big deal here in Vietnam. It's a very nice coffee shop. They're gonna demonstrate how to make the egg coffee.
All right.
So he's using the egg yolk. So he's taking 1 teaspoon of the condensed milk, adding it to the egg yolk. Now he's taking 2 teaspoons of the honey. Well, I think there's going to be plenty of sugar and sweetness. Caramel syrup now.
Where do you put that on?
3 teaspoons of the caramel syrup. And he's going to put some Bacardi in it.
Vietnamese call it happy water or fresh water. Happy water. Team party.
Happy water.
So I'm gonna put the cream on the top of the coffee.
And that cream goes on the top. Well, look how the alcohol and everything kind of separates in the caramel. Oh. Oh, he's putting hot water around the outside.
Oh, the keep it warm.
That's clever. Looks like chocolate, but is that chocolate or coconut?
Chocolate powder.
Chocolate powder. Okay, chocolate powder. It's really different. How in the world did they come up with these ideas?
It's good. Is it? That good, yeah.
Everything we've had right today is like, how did they dream this up? Really creative. Yeah, when you drink it, the coffee comes up and out through the foam and it kills all the sweet. The French ruled Vietnam until 1954, and Hanoi still shows it, especially in the French Quarter, with its shady boulevards, old villas, and Catholic churches. The French-built presidential palace stands out, huge and bright yellow. It's right next to Ho Chi Minh's Mausoleum. He refused to live there, calling it too fancy. Instead, he chose this simple house nearby. The surrounding gardens and museum grounds are peaceful, offering Vietnam's own take on its revolutionary past. Nearby, you'll find the One Pillar Pagoda, built to look like a lotus flower rising from a pond. It's part of the larger Ho Chi Minh complex, with park-like grounds, great for walking, though the rain shortened our stay. Around here, there's reminders of communist ideology, and it's hard to miss. The slogans, signs, and political messaging are everywhere. Hanoi is split into 4 main areas. The Old Quarter is chaotic, has narrow streets and markets. The French Quarter, it has wide boulevards, embassies, and the fancy hotels. The West Lake, it has trendy cafes and expat-friendly apartments. And the political center, home to the presidential palace, museums, and monuments. Each part of the city has its own rhythm and character. Hoa Lo Prison, sarcastically nicknamed the Hanoi Hilton by American POWs. Wow, you see what it's really like. Look at all those gates. Cruel persecution and hard life in the colonial prison. During the Vietnam War, Hoa Lo Prison held American POWs, including John McCain. The museum's portrayal is one-sided. Photos of happy prisoners playing chess and smiling. Propaganda, no doubt. The exhibit focuses on the brutal abuse Vietnamese revolutionaries suffered under the French, torture, guillotines, and horrific prison conditions. That part feels much more honest and much more disturbing. The toilet area was built openly inside the camp with 2 tall waste buckets put underneath. They just have buckets. Prisoners must go to the toilet in front of fellow inmates. Part of their torture was to let the toilet overflow, so they had to live in the stench and waste. That's brutal. Why'd they have to tie down their foot? This place, it seriously gives me the creeps. Why didn't they just kill them? They wanted them to suffer. Just the ladder they strapped them to and tortured them. Hard to believe humans can be so cruel to each other. Whoa. Oh, look at, they put things around their heads. Wow, look at their faces. Look at this. Watching a traditional water puppet show is a great way to spend your evening. The water puppet show is clearly a cultural tourist attraction, packed with tour groups. It's a unique experience, originating over 1,000 years ago in rice fields. This traditional Vietnamese art form brings folklore to life with music, puppets, and water as the stage. A group dinner, great food, new friends, and stories shared. We wander the Old Quarter's lively streets. Does Hanoi ever sleep? Does anyone ever eat at home? Shops are open late. Streets are packed. Tomorrow's another day, another adventure, and we're ready to share it with you. Join us in the next episode as we spend 2 days on an old wooden boat exploring the breathtaking beauty of Vietnam's famous Ha Long Bay. See you there.